Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the transition, title, audio, stock media, and some other options. So now we are going to move to the effect option. As you can see, there are a lot of effects here. As you can see in the last class, we have also discussed this icon means we have to download this. So I'm going to download this one. And we are going to scroll and I'm going to download this one. You guys can search the effect as per your need. If you want any specific effect that have any name or any hint, you guys can search that. In the favorite section, you will see your favorite effects. In the download section, you will see your downloaded effects, and here you will see the new ones, and here you will see the new ones as well. And as you guys can see here, these all effects are divided into categories, like in the video effects, in the filters, in the overlay, in the audio effects. All the effects are divided into categories. If you want to see them in category format, you guys can also do that. So as you can see, we are going to, what we have to do, simply I'm going to use this one, or what I'm going to, in the download section, I want this one, or this, I want this one. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to simply drag this one here. I want this one here, and now you have to play this. So as you can see, it's playing. If you want to increase the duration of this effect, what you have to do, you have to click on this and you have to drag this wherever you want. You have to drag this. As you can see, now the duration of this effect will be 10 seconds and say 17 frames. If you want to reduce the duration, you guys can also reduce the duration as well. Now the duration of effect will be 5 seconds and 2 frames. Now you can play the video. In this way your effect works. So if you want to add another one, for example, I want to add this one, so you have to play this. So as you can see, this effect works like that. If you want to increase the duration, you can also increase duration. If you want to decrease the duration, in the same way you guys can decrease the duration as well. You guys can use all the effects in the same way. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use effects in your video. So see you guys in the next video.